A quick look at Stronghold here. So SHX is down almost 9% on the week, and it does appear the bottom is in here. Once again, off of the trend, you can clearly see looking at the macro monthly chart. If we go from the low to the high, we held over the trend. We held the 236 at 2071. So it looks like it's only up from here, possibly to a new high, which could take you up anywhere to 2.5 to about 4.5 cents. So not a bad move, 180%. So almost a 3x to a new high here. And then the next stop after that would be about 4.5. But as for a top target, I would say this thing could hit 10 cents most likely. That is a 10x from here. And then the bigger question is, of course, where's Stronghold going to end up? So this thing's almost at a penny here. So could this thing actually come up here and hit 50 cents to a dollar? I would say 50 cents up here is highly possible. So these targets down here we just went over, I think, are very possible. And this one here at about 40 cents for about a 43x, that is, I think it's possible on Stronghold here. Stronghold's going to be a good play. I think it's going to come out of nowhere. And then if you're in the camp of this thing hitting a dollar, which I tried to look around online to see what the thought is, where people want this thing to end up. Can't really find anything, but that would be about 125x up to about $1.14 here. So the other thing we will do really quick before this one gets a little bit too long is just simply go from where we are right now, from the high to the low, just to get a short-term price to see when this thing's going to turn bullish again. It's doing nothing right now. It's just sitting here crawling along the trend and holding up very nicely. So yeah, we're sitting over the 382. So as long as we're over this 8.8 level, if you can see that, the price to beat is pretty much a penny. This 1-2 level. Once we get over a penny, this thing should have a breakout to the upside here. So what are your thoughts on Stronghold? Are you bullish on this one? Have you been loading up? None of this is financial advice, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.